Hello, again here I am. So, there was a dam. Okay, it was a dam built for cultivation. So, so you could understand the tide for its even out. So, okay, this side is the out side. Okay, for the tide. So you could see there a footbridge, a commute, a footbridge here. So the water was stored up for cultivation at this side. Okay, but pre-monsoon thunderstorm or kalbushaki or northwester rain made it overflow. This dam was made breakdown. So you could see here a collapse. So due to over storage of water, and now the river finds its way to become natural and normal, to find its original shape, so the water flows. So that's how we maneuver our natural resources for the sake of cultivation or for the sake of our survival. So we use our nature for our supremacy. So it's a kind of mastery we keep doing. Okay, it's quite logical to um, to maneuver the nature for us, to work the nature for us, but we can't make it excessive. We can't make it antagonistic. The nature is should be very much of friendly to us. We can't make it adversary for us. Thank you. There, she's she's facing hard.